Welcome back to
the channel.
Intro. What are you still doing here? Play the intro. Play the. Hi. Give me a minute, I'm struggling. See, yeah, that's how you magically put on a hoodie. You just go. Actually, I'll show you another trick. Guys, I'm in the middle of a hurricane and I'm trying not to freak out. Okay, so I'm trying not to freak out, and in turn, I'm freaking out. So, I set up a prank for Hi Mom because she's in the bathroom. I put the air mattress there. Underneath my eyes is tears. You want to see? I learned how to fly. Oh, I've seen that game before. Not. It'll fly down here. Hi, I'm Daniel 2HQ, and I endorse this message. So, why am I recording? There's a hurricane, if you haven't heard. His name's Milton, and he's closed down the Waffle House. I don't like it when the people close down the Waffle House. I live in a Waffle House. I'm in Orlando because I had to escape Milton, okay? He came at me with a machete, and this would be the perfect time to bleep it out, because he absolutely... Okay. Hi, my name's Daniel TubeHQ. That was not what I meant to do. Hi, my name is Daniel 2HQ. Welcome to Crazy Town. My hair is in my... Oh, God. Hi. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. The channel where today I'm escaping Hurricane Melvin, Marvin, Mexis, Malorian, Martin, Mark. Yeah, Hurricane Mark. Where today we're escaping Mark. Mark, please don't do this to me. I'm panicking. Hi, my name is the Channel Daniel, and you're watching Applebee's. Da 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 da. I think she's coming out soon. There's the door block.
Hurricane games.
Yeah, I'm losing my mind. I am.
Today's hurricane game.
Yep, that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. I wanted to talk about how to survive your mother's wrath, especially when you put hair remover in her shampoo.
No. Yeah, that's exactly what we survived. Forget about hurricane. That would be easy to survive. Where we put hair remover.
Hi, I'm Melvin, and welcome back to Hurricane with Melvin.
Hurricane time with Melvin.
Hurricane with Daryl.
Hurricane. Daryl.
Hurricane Melvin. Yeah, it's a Category 5.
Category 55.
Y'all saw me shirtless the other time. Not on this channel, and I'm not going to tell you where you find it. Guys, I think Daryl is gone, and so is Melvin. Heal thy burgers. Heal thy burgers. You guys want to come in my tent? Good. Hi. Welcome to Hurricane Melvin Survival Studies. Where today, I think I have enough content for the video. It's getting hard to breathe in here. I'm gonna go to sleep.